Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to check your Hostinger email SMTP host name. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. Here you will see your connected domain name. Click on mailboxes next to it. Now you will see the mailboxes available or the Hostinger email accounts created using your domain name. Now to check your SMTP host name, just click on connected apps and devices. And before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And below configure your email client using email server, you will see your SMTP host name, also the port and the SSL for security. In my case, this is my SMTP for my Hostinger email account. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.